Alright guys, in this video I flip my paintball marker and I go to Goodwill. How much do I get for it? My paintball marker? You'll find out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm about to go to Edge Paintball up in Bethel, Ohio, close to Cincinnati. I'm going to sell this paintball marker, so let's see how much I can get for it. So I'm in my car now, obviously, and I'm about to go sell this bad boy right here, this Titman paintball marker. Like I said, I checked comps. This one's brand new in the box, never been opened. I checked comps on it and they're $250 usually, so I'm gonna take it to this paintball gun store and see what I can get for it, and then reinvest that money into buying other stuff to flip. Alright guys, we're here, so let's take the paintball gun, or marker, sorry, I don't know if I can say that or not on YouTube, but let's take the paintball marker in and see what we can get for it. I'm going to try to record incognito. If they tell me, if they catch me and say they're recording, obviously I'll have to turn it off, but let's hope they don't see that or say anything.
Every once in a while, a kid will make it jump all the way out. Do you need help?
Yes.
What's that?
I emailed you guys yesterday about this gun. I'll try to sell it.
Alright. I don't think he is here yet, unfortunately. Let me do this real quick and then I'll go. Not a problem. You have a good one. Bye-bye.
Oh, he better be here. I just drove 40 minutes, so if he's not here, I'm gonna have to go back to my car and wait.
He's not here yet. He's not usually here until after 1. I don't know why.
Oh my god, I just drove 40 minutes here. He told me you guys opened at 10. He didn't say that he wouldn't be here until after 1.
Yeah, I don't know why he would not have told you that. I can... And that we only sell them for 200. What I can give you for it, I probably wouldn't even want to offer it to you, to be quite honest. Because I have to give so much under cost.
Yeah.
The most that I could give you for it would be like $50 or $60. You can come back and talk to him, and he obviously, it's his money, so he can haggle way more.
I'll take 60 for it. That's fine. I don't know, yeah, it's 2 hours or so. I don't want to go back empty-handed.
I don't know why. What?
Was that a paintball gun tester?
No, you just put air in it to make sure it fires.
Gotcha.
I know it's new, but if I don't, I'll get it.
Yeah,
Alright, I do need to see...
ID?
Yes. That's right out of me.
Alright, thank you.
Not a problem. You have a good one.
You too. Alright guys, so as you just listened to, I'm sure that you know that I got way less than I was hoping to get for the gun, but the guy emailed me yesterday and said, we open at 10, blah blah blah. I'll show you the email right now. But anyway, he said we open at 10, so I figured I'd get here by 10 and get rid of it, but he didn't tell me that he wasn't going to be here till 1, and he was the person that made all the decisions for the most part, so that kind of stinks. But you know what, I drove 40 minutes. I wasn't going to go home, wait, and then come back. No, that's going to take up my whole day. I only paid $5 for the paintball marker, so I mean, I spent about $5 in gas, maybe $5, $7 in gas getting here, so alright, here's what I got. Profit of about 50 bucks, so yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I bought it for $5. That's how it goes sometimes in the reselling world, so I'll just move on. I just realized that on my way home that there is a Goodwill right next to the highway, literally right next to the highway where I get back on, so I'm gonna stop there and see what they have, so that will be on this video as well. Alright, so we're here at the Goodwill. I've been to this Goodwill one time, so I don't know what to expect really. I'm not going to be here that long, so I'm just going to go in, snoop around for a couple minutes, and see if there's anything worth buying. Got a lot of clothes. Hot dog toaster. What? Not allowed to find a pair of Rothy's right now. No, that's not gonna happen.
You looking for mini shoes or money?
Yeah, I'm trying. I just went to Racer's Edge up there and sold a paintball gun.
Yep.
Gave me 60 bucks for that.
Yep.
I was hoping for more though. It was brand new in the box.
That's good.
Yeah.
You sell your stuff on eBay?
eBay, Macari, Facebook
Now,
Marketplace.
Macari, you don't have to bid on them, do you?
No. You don't have to bid on eBay either. It depends on what you set it as. So.
But Macari is just you see it and you buy it, right?
Yes. Yep.
They got G.I. Joe stuff on there?
Oh yeah, they have everything. Anything you can imagine. It's
now,
on
how
there.
do you, when you get online, how do you buy from there? Just put in your email and all that?
Yeah, you sign up for an account and
Yeah.
you just
use your card.
Yep. You have to have a credit card or debit card.
Well, thank you.
Not a problem. Have a good day.
You have a good day too.
Thank you. Only two of them here. Oh man, I don't know if I should buy this or not. It's $6. Think about that. Let's see, do you have any electronics I buy? Monitors. Let's see, are those? They're not the pricing though. Either that or I can't see. I think I'll get this red hat.
$4.27.
Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, so I had a couple things that I was thinking about getting, but I decided against that. I bought this Cincinnati Reds fitted hat. I like it a lot. Back has the Reds logo. I don't know how much I'll get for it. I mean, I might even keep it. I like it. I live in Cincinnati. Or maybe I'll give it to the Cincinnati picker. I know it's something you'd enjoy. But yeah, they didn't have that much. I've been in there before, and I remember me and my wife went in there, and we really didn't get nothing that time either. So yeah, I mean, that's what I got. So on to the next. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and please consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, Aaron B. Flippin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Alright guys, so I'm going to send that hat to the Cincinnati picker. He is the godfather, if you will, of Cincinnati flipping, I guess. So I'm going to give him an offering.